नमस्ते दोस्तों, तो आप देख रहे हैं ये वीडियो इसलिए क्योंकि ये जो शानदार जगह है यहाँ पे होने वाली है इंटर्नशिप। और ये होटल है ज़ेक रिपब्लिक का एक, जहाँ पर हम लोग इंडिया से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है आने वाले हैं इंटर्नशिप के लिए। चलो मैं आपको लेकर के जाता हूँ, आपको इसका मुआयना कराता हूँ और इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे डायरेक्टर मिस्टर क्लॉडियो से, किस तरह से वो हेल्प करना चाहते हैं हमारे इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स को। सो लेट्स गो फॉर इट, go for it. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ यहाँ एक आलीशान होटल के बाहर और मैं आपको कराने जा रहा हूँ एक सैर, जहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा कि किस तरह ज़ेक रिपब्लिक में आपको इंटर्नशिप करनी है। Hello.
Hello, welcome. My name is Helena. Welcome to Falkensteiner Hotel
Kieran.
Prague.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to our hotel, Falkensteiner Hotel Prague. Now we are in the reception area, where we are welcoming the guests, and we can continue to our lobby area. And then we will go through the corridor behind the step down to the fitness area and our spa area.
Okay, so fitness and spa.
Fitness and spa,
okay,
yes.
Let us go then.
This is our spa. This is our gym.
Wow, I love gym. Beautiful.
First floor.
So we are going to.
We are going to the first floor to see 2 rooms.
Okay.
So, 105.
Okay. Is this a special room for you?
Housekeeping. So please come in. I have to. This is really nice location of this hotel, next to the main railway station, next to subway, and really in the center, next to Wenceslav Square. It's 5 minutes walk.
Okay.
And also next to Old Town Square, 10 minutes walk. So the location
It's in the city center, you would say.
In city center.
Wow. It's a
really,
beautiful property
really
actually.
Super.
देखो भाइयों, आपको आकर यहाँ पर इंटर्नशिप करनी है और ज़्यादा क्या बताऊँ मैं, नहीं really.
I think really nice what people like so much is the view through the stairs. You can see how it's really nice.
Wow.
Amazing.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूँ चेक रिपब्लिक में और प्राहा यानी प्राग जो कि सिटी का नाम है, और मैं हमेशा से कहता आया हूँ कि एजुकेरन इंटरनेशनल, जिसका मैं फाउंडर CEO हूँ, हम अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं। और यहाँ पर मेरे साथ बैठे हैं मिस्टर क्लाउडियो, जो कि जनरल मैनेजर एक 5 स्टार होटल के, और हमारी पार्टनरशिप जो है इसलिए है कि हम इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे पाएँ। उनसे काफ़ी देर मेरी बातचीत हुई। अब मैं क्या बताऊँ, आप मिस्टर क्लाउडियो की ज़बान से ही सुनो। हेलो मिस्टर क्लाउडियो।
Hello,
nice meeting you, and thank you for having me here.
Pleasure.
Since we've been talking about, different opportunities for the students, and thank you that you accepted to be here in the video to convince and send message to Indian students and universities. First of all, I would like to know about you, your position in the group of hotels, and about a little bit about introduction to your group of hotel.
Super, thank you very much. Yeah, first of all, greetings to India, and yeah, it's a great honor to have the opportunity talking to you. Yeah, basically, let's start a little bit from here where we are. We're in Prague, which is a pretty cool capital in Europe. It's a super nice city. I'm physically originally from Germany. We had a couple of stations with Hilton, Hyatt Corporation, and since almost 11 years, I'm here in Prague. I'm running a operation. We call it a premium boutique hotel. It's 108 keys, super cool, completely new design, more a lifestyle hotel. And so we accommodated in the past various students from different kind of the European countries, and it would be really a privilege to have the opportunity to bring you over to Prague, especially to this operation. It's small, it's cozy, it's super nice, pretty young team, and we have especially opportunities, let it be for housekeeping services, let it be for services, breakfast service, or respectively also for lunch and dinner. Besides what you may see a little bit, the first impression from the color scheme, it's really unique and cozy. And I think at least the team members or the students we had in the past, they're super excited and they want to come back. So it's up to you, and I would appreciate, even if it's not around the corner, to bring you over. And basically, it's not using you. It's really just to really, what is your, let's say, mid and long term planning, career opportunity to dive into the real world, to explore. Let's say also the European kind of customers, and which is super international, and also we have a lot of guests from your part of the world which frequently come to Prague. So I think it's pretty nice. Besides the rooms, we also provide a super nice, cozy spa facilities. We do have, which may assume was it on the video. We mainly have corporate travelers, we have individual travelers, we have classical weekend breakers who look a little bit from the beauty of Prague, which has a super lot of historical history, buildings, and looking forward to welcome you in Prague.
And what do you say the name of your group is?
Yeah. So Falkensteiner Hotels and Residence. It's probably a name which you may have heard not about it. It's a family hotel group, but basically it's not a family hotel group. We have in the meantime, so we have a portfolio of almost about 30 hotels, 30. Different kind of family hotels, resort hotels, mountain hotels.
So they are only in Czech Republic, or
they are a mixture. So basically, we have in the Czech Republic 2 properties, and the remaining properties spread from Croatia, and the majority is in Austria.
do you think you can also help after Czech in other countries as
We
well
can do
for the
this.
internship?
Absolutely,
Wow,
absolutely, we can
ये
do
तो
this
बहुत
as well.
अच्छी न्यूज़ है भाई, ये तो बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है और आपको इसका फ़ायदा लेना चाहिए. Now, it's a very common and very important question always been asked by students and their faculties, because they are spending a lot of money coming here. So do you have any policies that somehow you will help students anyways, like with stipend or facilities or anything that will help them to reduce the burden on their pockets?
Basically, we give an example. We also accommodate students, Czech students in the summer period when they really want to catch a little bit some pocket money, and basically here we also will provide, we call it an hourly value, which is going to be in Czech local currency, which gives you a little bit of support for the living costs in Prague, which are unfortunately not so cheap anymore like they've been in the past. So this is what we can contribute, and in all respect, besides their uniform, besides meal plans are offered to the team members, and you will be part of the whole team. Currently we have about 40 employees, so there's additional
and they will get the opportunity to work in most of the areas or departments, we say in India,
based on let's say a little bit a kind of wish list. I would say the main part for us for a temporary period, which may be what I understood 4 months or even longer, will be the service. Meaning for us, service means breakfast service, lunch, and dinner services, or respectively also for housekeeping services.
Like kitchen bar,
basically whatever we basically have on the shelf, which is a super cool monkey bar. Probably it's also on the video. It's a pretty cool place, and so what from A to Z to make for all guests a memorable experience, and you can be part of the journey to bring the people the, let's say, experience to stay at the Falkenstein Hotel in Prague.
Excellent. Since the bureaucratic things, I know that Neri, who is our another counterpart of the project, so we will take care of the visa and documentation and everything. Finally, after the internship, they only expect to have, a nice send-off, especially technically, an acknowledgement of their internship, which is a certificate or letter. Would you be also providing
Absolutely. We will provide you a kind of certificate. We also, what we can do is by what we did in the past during the internship, just to have a monthly get together to wrap up a little bit, looking a little bit more, not only the practical part, also bring in a little bit some technical issues, what you want to do in terms of sales, marketing, issues that you may be interested in.
All right, Mr. Claudio, any message for our students?
Basically, I hope that you will really keen on just to take the long journey to Prague. And in order to do so, please contact EduKerron International in order to make it happen for you.
Thank you.
For the internship. Okay?
All right. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank
Claudio.
you.
Nice
Was
meeting
a pleasure.
you. Yeah.
Guys, I hope to see you. All right?
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you.